So today we are bringing the ewes in pre-lambing vaccination. Been clearing snow and ice for a few weeks now. Vaccination is fairly time sensitive, needs to be done now. So we've got a bit of mud, but we're hoping we can do it.
Yeah, they are.
There you go.
Okay.
Off you go.
There you go. And Fuzzy's got one too. Okay, off you go, girls. Come on, Fuzzy. You're slow little job. Come on. That's it, girls. That's it. That's it. Yep.
There you go. You don't mind having a crayon on your head, do you?
Let him out.
Off you go. You girls.
Come on, Queenie.
Well,
you fit.
Let's go.
There you go. Good girls. Okay. Here's my lovelies. I can't fit all three of you in here. Sorry. Okay, now you can. Oh, Jesus Christ. Hi, Gertie. Hey, my big thing. Got a bag? It's okay.
These are done on this side, and these guys are waiting to be done.
Huh?
Where is it?
In here.
Okay. Did you break the needle?
Oh, sorry. I heard. Have you got the needle? And we're done. We're done. Let's
All
do
done.
the rams.
Yeah.
Filming? Yes, it is.
So now it's time for the rams. And there's 5 of them to do.
Yeah, hello, boy.
They've got their own lake at the moment,
Hi, my boy.
and it's windy.
Oh. Hey, Jock. Hey, Jock.
Gonna mark them?
Hey, Max, are you curious?
That was the end of the freebies.
Come here. Come here. I'm gonna get ya. I'm gonna get ya. One way or another. I'm gonna get ya. I'll get ya. Get ya. I'm not gonna get that little one.
Okay. That's done for today. It's a bit windy, so I'm not sure what sound we're getting for that. I guess, well, that was very lucky. I've seen worse in the past, and trusty versatile, and then there's the, yeah, that is what we're up against.
I think it is.
Oh, coming up.
I did the floor.
Did you really?
I studied.
Oh.
And then April 16th. We're counting down. We got vaccinating done yesterday. That was a mega job for the girls and the mud. My goodness. Anyway, off to do chores. Ah! This is for the ram. That goes into the sheep. Oh, they got tons of water. Tons of it. Okay, we're good. How you boys doing? They got some shots yesterday too, but not all of them, because I couldn't catch them. There you go, turkey box. Some mamas. Yeah, everybody seemed to have quite an udder already, or starting one, which is just gonna get a mineral now. The lambs are growing very quickly now. We've got 2 weeks till lambing, and this is last trimester, so this is when the lambs grow the fastest, and the nutritional needs requirements of the ewes is the highest. This and lactation. I got lick tubs, minerals. Our ewes look really good, but they've got a really thick wool coat right now. They're not in bad condition at all. So we're not, at the moment, not feeding any barley. We're feeding the lick tubs. They're getting good alfalfa rich hay, and which they've been having all winter. They've come through a cold winter really well, and yeah, we don't want too big of babies. I don't want to have to be pulling all the time. Anyway, it's all fun. Everybody good? It's windy. It's spring. It's gonna be windy. Yeah, you guys. Now we just need to keep feeding you. There's my, is it a sheep or is it a rock? Rock. Hello, girlie. Yeah, we've got 30 replacement ewe lambs this year. We had a good crop from last year, so sold a few. It was good. You're such a good boy. And yeah, they need a new bale. Oh, what a nice scene. It's great.
Here we're looking at some of the work we started last fall, as much as we could before the snow came. And these fence posts and these woods. This is going to be for sheep area. Idea is that they'll be able to get shelter from the trees, shelter from the side of the Quonset there, and behind too. And the fields back there will be for grazing. Now this, yeah, so this is the lane. Idea here is the laneway that we're using over there, connects to the shelter, is that, and water. Leading to pasture, but we may need some pens by the look of things to make this work. With clearing, it's going to need something like a skid steer. April the 18th, so mid-April, and lambing is coming up, and our sheep operation revolves around this barn, this old barn. It's been snow until a week or two ago, inaccessible, and we have to make certain changes for winter with windbreaks and things, and then for summer, for lambing, for spring and lambing, we have to free it all up, clear pens of manure, which I've been doing, get it ready for lambing. So there's a bunch of pens here. 3 of them get grouped together to make the lambing pen. Lambing pen is joined onto the barn. So once they have the lambs, we take them individually with the lambs into the barn for a day or two, just to get them mothered up. What I wanted to show you was this part here, which I cleared yesterday. That is a solid chunk of ice. Even the tractor won't shift it. So this is what you're up against when it comes to clearing these pens. But it's mostly done now, you can see. So we go from, you know, a very wintry place, Arctic kind of climate, you know, can go to -40, the average is 25, -25 to 35. 6 months really. The snow came early and really locked us out. We couldn't get access to things we needed to get access to. So just the other day we did vaccination for the sheep. This is our chute. That, you know, that was all full of snow, hard snow and ice. So it just disrupts everything. So the plan now, next year, is to try and have an indoor handling system. You won't recognise it when it's in full swing of lambing. It will be soon. We've got about just over 2 weeks till it could kick off, based on the fact that it usually starts a week early. So what I think I'm going to do today is see if I can clear the rest of those bales. Just check the ground, doesn't seem as soft as it might have been. Careful where I go.
Here's the crew waiting to have babies in a couple weeks, right, ladies? Right? We put a bale in. Look at the cat out there hunting. Hey girlies, why are you eating the grass? Please don't eat the grass. You've got hay. Yeah, hi girls. We're feeding bales out here, pre-lambing, so as to let the dry lot thaw and we can clean it. We vaccinated 3 days ago, last weekend. Yeah, there's the girls. Oh, she's been treated twice, and I think she's got a foxtail stuck in her foot, and I've got to catch her again and sort her out, pull it out. Jackson, hello, morning. Hey, boo-boo. Hey, Henry. How's everybody doing? Hey, Henry, you're the dog. Hello, dog. Hello, puppy. What a good boy. Okay. How's everybody? Oh, we're full. We're full. It's hot.